The first thing we see is that the welding wire enters the grinding equipment. Our device works magic on the wire. The wire surface impurities polish clean. After the wire comes out of the cleaning equipment, enter the cold drawn equipment. There are wheels. It's like ramen noodles. Pull the wire into thin noodles. Here the basic shape of the welding wire has been determined. The next step is to enter the copper plating process. The welding wire enters a pool containing copper sulfate and electrolyzed water into the electrolyte copper plating. From the copper plating equipment is our copper plating welding wire. Finally, we layer wrap the processed welding wire. It's packed by a robotic arm. The whole process is over. Advanced production technology and equipment ensure the stable quality of products. At present, we mainly produce welding wire, keyboard welding wire, barrel welding wire, submerged arc welding wire, flux cored welding wire, since it went into production, received unanimous praise from traders and end users.